Hey, I'm about to turn around, bro. Found ya, brother. Got ourselves a squad. Or nah. Hey, that might be a trackie. Close to Hippie Hut, so we might be seeing some bikers here shortly. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Hey, I told y'all we was gonna see some other drunk people and maybe hopefully some bikes. Look at this, hella people right there. Hella people. Bro, I haven't been out here in so long, bro. I used to be out here every day. I said the bike shit be going down out here. Oh yeah, they outside, bro. They outside. They got telling you. The bike. I see a bike. I see a bike. Turn the flip. We outside, man. It got too dark, bro. I think I came out too late. This ain't gonna be outside. Oh, that's that trackie. Buddy got a trackie. What is that? Oh, you scared me. Oh shit. Is he allowed to do that? There's hella food out here, bro. I gotta find something to eat. Something good, you feel me? Hey, shit. I'm about to turn around, bro. I'm about to turn around, bro. Come back. Come back. That was another Grom. That's exactly the person I need. Oh, shit. There's more. There's more. There's more. I told y'all the bikers be out here, bro. They all going that way. I think I came too late. They're everywhere. Oh my God. They all left, bro. Sorry. Hippie Hut's right here. Oh my God, there's no one here. What the ow. There's no one here, bro. Oh, that's heartbreaking. Fucking hurts. I probably should have turned around and joined that Grom, bro. Damn. There's literally no one here. That sucks. We're gonna catch him. I seen the Grom. I'm gonna get his ass. Ah, motherfucker. I found ya. I found ya, brother. What's up? How you doing? Where you going? I'll join you. No destination. Let me hear that thing. I'm recording. I'm recording a video. So I just want to look at your bike. Yeah. You want to go in here?
Yeah.
All right, bet. We can. Oh, it's a one way.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
We can just like go.
Okay.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, bro.
We literally have the same fucking bike.
Nice to meet you, man. What's your name?
My name's Arden.
Marquise.
Nice to meet you, Marquise.
Yes, sir.
Are you a student here?
You said what?
You go to Ohio State?
Nah.
No?
Nah.
Do you live around here?
Worthington.
Okay.
So yeah, I just took High Street
Nice to
straight.
go along.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
The bike, bro. I see you got some modifications on
I
it.
got this thing from Marketplace. I have done nothing to it.
Really?
Everything came when I got it off Marketplace.
Dang, that's what's up, bro. You lucked up then. You already got an exhaust and
bro,
everything.
Like, I got the bike and then people were telling me like, dude, like your bike has so much shit on it. I had no clue.
Yeah, mine's completely stock, bro. The only thing I did was remove the license plate.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
But yeah, bro, I aspire to be like you. I already know. I want to get the Pro Taper, some freaking levers, definitely exhaust, bro. That's number one. And get a little tail thing, because I want to learn. I got it so I can learn how to wheelie and stuff.
Dude, I know. Everyone just, every time I'm on this thing, they're like, yo, whip a wheelie. I can't do it.
Facts, bro. I be feeling bad. Like, people be telling me to do it. I'll be like, bro, I hate to let you down. I'm not that guy. But nah, yeah, bro. Do you know about hip? Got ourselves a squad. I should have went that way. We got ourselves a squad, Briz. That shit popping for real, man. This shit alive. Hey, man. He wild, man. He wild. I don't know about all that, man. I don't know. Oh, this is good. It's right here. Oh, wait. Yeah, it's right here. I don't know where he's going. you cold now? I wonder if they're going back to Hippie Hut. We shall see. Hey y'all, it's nighttime. It got cold, so I'm going back home. I appreciate y'all for watching this video, man. Like always, like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do, man. But I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, peace out. That might be a cop. That might be a cop. We're gonna chill. I want to give y'all a little rip. Oh, there's a cop right